Auto underscore now underscore add fields override my input. Given a model. When I do. Then my underscore bar dot foo is not yesterday but now. I have to do. This didn't used to be the case, but is true for Django January 8, 2017.
From the docs. The auto underscore now and auto underscore now underscore add options will always use the date in the default time zone at the moment of creation or update. If you need something different, you may want to consider simply using your own callable default or overriding save instead of using auto underscore now or auto underscore now underscore add, or using a date time field instead of a date field and deciding how to handle the conversion from date time to date and display time. So you should do that instead.
Ja, u ganz das Morgen, ja, das kann ich wieder so kriegen.